In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can restore your deleted post on Instagram. You might have deleted your post mistakenly, or someone else hacked into your Instagram and deleted your posts without your permission. To get back your posts on your profile grid, simply head into your Instagram. On your profile page, tap on these three lines and head into your settings and privacy. On the settings page, select this first option of Accounts Center. On this page, scroll down onto the option of your information and permissions. You will then select this first option of Download your information. Tap on Download or Transfer information. You will then have to select to download all available information right here. Tap on Next and then select on how you will receive your information. Tap on Create File and your data will be sent to you successfully. It usually takes 2 to 3 days to receive your data via your email. When received, download it. In the section of Media, you will see all your deleted photos and videos. You can either restore or download them to your phone gallery. That's how easy it is to restore deleted posts on Instagram. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.